Okay, I'd like to give you a better sense for the fractional atoms at the corners and faces of the FCC unit cell. Sometimes students struggle a little bit in 3 dimensions with exactly what it means. So let's take a look. So here's an FCC unit cell, and of course what you know is that I said this is 1/8 of an atom, and the face positions are 1/2. So I just want to show you why that is in case you struggle a little bit with that, as many students do. So here we go. I've started off with one of my my spheres here, and what I'd like to do is say, look, let's slice this thing up, and let me set up some axes here for you. This will help. So that is going to be the x-axis, that's the y, that's z. You'll see why I did that in just a moment. It'll hopefully make a little bit more sense. So let's give ourselves a little bit of room there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a little plane here for you that we can use to slice this atom. So say we slice here in what is, you can tell, the XZ plane. Okay, so we slice like this. What's going to happen is it's going to slice this thing in half. So that's what I'm trying to draw there. We're slicing it in half in and out of the board. Okay, so if we do that, we should see something like this. So I tried to draw that earlier to save some time. Okay, that is what we're going to go to. So now you've got half a sphere, right? That's half a sphere. Well, that would be, of course, what you have on the face, any of the faces. We're only concerned with the half that's inside the unit cell. Now, however, if you want to, say, understand the corners, well, we'd have to slice it again. And so let's say I go like this, and I slice this time in the XY plane. So that's XY plane. Okay? We're going to see something like this. Slice like that halfway up and across here, right? So we're slicing it just like that along the XY plane. Then what do we have? Well, now we should have, oops, sorry, this is what I meant to show you. There we go. You should have this now, which you might call a wedge. Okay, a wedge, and that is 1/4 of a sphere. Okay, finally then, if we actually cut it in the plane of the page here, okay, in the plane of the page, it's going to look something like this. All right, so we slice that thing in the plane of the page, or in the ZY plane. Okay, ZY plane, I'll show you the axes again. Right, that's the ZY plane, plane of the page. Then we're left with what I think I showed you briefly by mistake earlier. We're now left with this, which is 1/8. You could take in a quarter, made it down, and that's what you have in the corner positions. Okay, each of those things is what you see up here in the corner if I drew that carefully. Okay, thank you very much. I hope that helped.